Welcome back guys to a new video, and in today's video we have a new project lined up, and instead of telling you guys I'm just going to quickly bring it in. Yeah?
Yeah, go and get it then, it's fine. Oh. Wonder what we got, guys. So what we got, Abby?
That's right, we had a Land Rover Discovery TD5, and yeah, it's going to be a new fun project that we're going to do.
We've got a few things to do.
That's it. I've got a lot of things lined up for this thing. It's a really nice little thing.
Little?
A big thing.
Go stand next to it.
Bro, really?
Go stand next to
Bro,
it.
I'm probably like half the size. No, here. Half the size.
Do you want me to get your ladder?
No.
You sure you don't want to step?
No. Anyways,
It's alright.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little off-roading Range Rover or Discovery. Yeah.
So we have a few things over in a box over here.
That's it.
In here, guys. Some large boxes. One,
Very,
two.
very large boxes.
Let's unbox them, yeah?
Yeah. So we look at this one first. Should we tell them what is this first, or just unbox it?
We'll just unbox it.
Okay.
So, I do.
Yeah. You see? Yo, this is huge. That's what
she
said.
says. Hey!
Anyways.
Can you lift it?
Uh,
No, you get one end, I'll get the other one. Okay.
Jeez.
Nearly knocked the camera out of my hand, but okay.
It's alright. Anyways.
So this one is front bumper.
Yes, it is. Oh my god, this is huge.
Okay, how many times are you going to say it's huge?
It's huge.
It's big, yeah?
Right, the plan is to install a front bumper and a rear bumper. Is this
The
called
rear bumper. Yeah, bumpers, yeah.
Bumpers, yeah.
But they're metal, they're not plastic, so.
That's it. So it helps us go off-roading, and we don't damage that one as much as this. Yeah.
So out with the front fogs, because these fill up with water, and they're no good. What's the point in this, huh? It fills up with water. It's no good. So we're gonna get rid of those. So all this goes, and then this light bar will go on another bar that goes on top of that.
Yep.
But we don't have that yet, so this is not going to be fitted today, unfortunately. And then
We move to the back.
and then we move to the back. So let's
Let's switch roles, because
I'm the one that fits it.
That's
yeah?
it.
Yeah, Abby just stands there with the camera,
that's it.
just passing tools. So guys, now we've got the tools, so we're gonna take them under there. Nice. And there's a few bolts we have to remove. Whereabouts? So we have to remove, if I remember, these two here.
Wait, where?
Can you see?
Yeah, I can see.
One,
Yep.
two. And then there's a bolt under there which is holding the corner of the bumper on. So that should hopefully just come off afterwards. We have to remove this plate here, which protects the steering rack. In case you hit anything going off road. aka Abby breaking them.
As always.
Let's take these ones off.
Cool.
You normally just bring out a selection when you're working on Land Rover, 12, 15, 14, 13 and a 10. Because one side could be a 10, the other side could be a 13. Or it could be like 15. And then the engine, like the exhaust.
Oh yeah. Right, so Dan has taken all the bolts off that we need to remove the bumper, so it should be off, yeah? That looks like a questionable face.
It's washer jam.
Oh, headache after headache, yeah? I say, yeah, just cut the lines.
Wow.
If you're watching this, sorry, I didn't mean that, by the way.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
So now I've realised there's some screws under here, around the wheel arch. This bit comes off, then it gives us access to this bit. And
Okay.
yeah, should be good. So now I've unscrewed them. Remember, I need flathead in there.
Can you just have one? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because there's little clips. It's going to be awkward, isn't it? One, two. And that's
Wow.
just come off. No wonder they weren't working. What are they, wireless?
Oh my days! Wait, where are the pipes? Or hoses?
I don't know.
Is that why there's water in there then?
No, that's because it leaks through the rain.
Oh, right.
When you go off road, the water just gets inside
gets
and
inside.
fills up. Yeah. Crap design. That just comes off.
Oh, just one piece.
Well, yeah, because I wanted all the metal work, wasn't it?
That's true.
Otherwise, you'd have to remove these bolts and these
Yeah,
if you wanted to keep the metal work on, and then just replace the plastic trimming.
I see.
But
Oh,
anyway, we don't want
wow.
What?
It's leaking.
Yeah, it's water in there, bolt, isn't it?
Okay.
So we just put this one over there.
Yep,
I don't want it leaking in the garage.
it's very true.
And you can leak down the drain.
It's very
So-
firmly in place.
Out with the old, in with the new.
That's it.
Let's see if it fits.
You good? You need a hand?
Like this, a weightlifting, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Right, I might set you guys on a tripod and help this guy out. Yeah?
Yeah, it would be nice.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
So what Dan was supposed to say is, let's start with this side, because this is the side that we need to take off. Right guys, we just finished putting up the new bumper.
So
Whoa.
we,
Yeah, if I wasn't holding, who would have done it then?
the jack.
Okay, f the jack. The jack is already broken. That you tried to,
What do you mean tried to?
fix.
Sorry.
It's
I
broken.
fixed it.
Yeah.
It's not broken.
It's broken.
It's not broken. Anyway, back on the subject, please.
Right.
Yeah,
Anyways.
never mind about my jack. It wasn't even my jack.
Hint, hint.
Anyway. Anyway.
So you're now trying to blame the guy who had the jack before.
Alright, shush now. Back on the subject, yeah, of this. So I think that looks really good.
Yeah.
Like,
It looks aggressive.
now you can see, yeah, the bottom bar.
That's
Yeah.
it.
Once the grill's on, bonnet's closed,
I think it will look
winch
hard.
is in, top bar lights on.
Yep.
That looks pretty good.
Yeah, and we're gonna relocate our little windscreen
Yeah,
wash
this is-
reservoir.
Once that's gone, hangs down there like that.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna go in there.
Yep.
So we have to get a universal one to go in there.
Yeah, probably this size or that size. And yeah. Cool.
Yeah, so
So
we've got our little things that never were wired, plugged
yeah,
in.
plugged in.
But we'll fill the hole.
Yep. Eventually.
So we'll take them off and then put them in.
Cool.
These should just come off. little locating pin, so it should just go in there. He says. It doesn't go. Smack it in. The hole's too small for this bit. Right. We put them in.
Right, we've fitted on the front bumper now, and it looks really mean. We're gonna start on the back right now, and yeah, so we can show them the.
Wait, no, the front's not finished.
Why is it not
Are you
finished?
forgetting a few things?
Yeah, that we said,
Okay.
we talked about that before, didn't we?
Did we?
Okay, so we're gonna get a winch. Yeah, it's gonna sit right here. We're gonna have additional bar that's gonna be mounted on here for another light bar. So our existing light bar. Yeah, do you know about that one?
Yeah, they know about the existing.
Okay.
Just tell them, isn't it? Then a few
Yeah,
things
that's
that
what
we
goes
need to
there.
finish off.
And as you know, we're gonna remove our little windscreen washer reservoir.
Yeah, because
it looks hideous right
you
now.
can see it even from here. See?
No,
It sticks out.
That's it.
So that needs to go inside.
Yeah, that needs to be relocated. There's another bar gonna go up. Light bars.
Okay, no, we don't need to tell them everything.
Right. So now to move on to the back. Where's the other box? We got the rear bumper in here. Quite heavy. Quite massive.
So Mr. Muscles can do it.
Yeah, I did it. But what the hell? This is bigger than the other one. Yo, this is.
So look at those muscles.
Shut up, boy. Anyways. Wow. Okay. This is huge.
Well, it's the colour again, mate. Makes it look huge.
Not again. That's what she said.
So what's first then, Abby?
Taking the lights off, I guess.
Yeah. Don't worry about the packaging ends.
Yeah.
The little condom protectors.
Wow. I'm actually stuck on my screwdriver.
Oh, sorry.
Cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna take this off, and then what? There's box behind us. Come on, you have to walk me through this.
I don't know. We're just winging it.
We're winging it now, yeah.
Wing it. So we take out this massive long wood screw.
By the way, this is not standard. This has been put in because it came out before.
Yeah, and we didn't put it in there.
Neither did
Didn't we?
No.
Somebody else put it in there.
That's it.
Yeah, my dad put it in there.
Yep.
Light kept falling out, so he got annoyed. So he just bunned it with a really long screw.
I don't know what's 10 years later, still not out yet.
Wow.
Eventually.
Look at that nice watch, guys.
Can you?
Don't want to get dirty, you know? Look at those nice clean hands.
Yeah, because I'm, filming.
Wait, well, give me that screw.
Oh. Is that even the right screw?
It's a wood screw.
Nice. Okay,
You got a long enough screw?
Okay, so you push them out. And
Yeah, so normally there's a clip on there
Oh, well.
that holds it in, but the clip's broken on the I believe there's some more coming, and that's not a very good shot, mate. So somehow we've got to get those to fit in with the metal one without it coming out, but we'll figure that out.
So you're telling me this has to.
Well, want to be the other one, mate.
Thank you. That way? Are you sure? Yeah?
No, just let him figure it out.
Yeah, I had it right in the first one, but it's not gonna go in. You have to trim the. Are you serious? Ta-da! It fits.
This bit goes down.
How am I supposed to know
Look, because it's on here. Look.
that? Okay.
Yeah, it's for your tow bar, isn't it? Tow bar, isn't it? The rear.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, so now we've got to try and keep that. Oh, that looks so much better.
Bro, I don't think you need to do anything much.
Yeah, you do, because that's just going to come out, isn't it?
Super
Look. No, it's not clipped in. So we have to figure out, keeping that in, why the other one comes through the post.
Sorry, what do you mean the other one can't? Oh, there's another replacement this.
Because the clip's broken on those ones at the back. It holds it in.
Right.
You see, that's hence why I had to use a really long, really long screw.
Right. So So you're gonna put a really, really long screw in. That's what I said. What?
We'll do
Where's the
something.
glue gun?
Yeah,
Where's the
actually,
glue gun?
yeah, our new glue gun.
Exactly.
Anyway, come on. So we're gonna remove this bolt in here on both sides.
Okay.
This plate here
Yeah.
has to stay.
Yep.
So we're gonna remove these 2 bolts. Possibly loosen this one off so we can pull it out slightly.
Yeah.
And then the rear bumper, basically there's a plate on it that sits in there.
Right.
And once it's in there, then we should be able to put these 2 bolts back in, and that should be it, hopefully. Oh, we've put the camera back.
Come back in as well.
But yeah, I think the rear should be pretty. Doesn't seem to be much
Going on.
besides these 2 bolts, so we're gonna undo those.
Okay.
And
Catch you guys in a bit.
when you go get stuff in your eyes. Perfect.
Wow.
Look at that. Off.
That's it.
So yeah, you got rid of the bumper as you probably saw, and now we have to undo this. Toby, where's the other bit of metal?
There.
Down there. So we had to remove this one from these 2 bolts here, and then this was up here like this, and then yeah, okay, because you're not explaining.
No, because man doesn't get it.
So this bit was up here, up in there.
Yep, you get the idea. Or the other way around.
The other way around. But anyway, that went in there. That bolt's on there, so we had to remove the bolts. So we're just gonna put that down.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna upfit the bumper.
Yep.
And go from there.
Right guys, we're back and we finished installing the rear bumper to the Land Rover. Now we're going to install this light, but we can't do that. I mean we can, but it's not fit.
The clip's broken on the light.
Yeah, exactly. So we're going to DIY or like put a screw in and keep it tight. So yeah, is that it? And there's something else?
No, that's it, bro.
Yeah, that's it.
We've done one side.
Yeah, we done one side just to experiment because we were taking far too long with all of these tools. So yeah, so our go-to tool is to put a nut in, fix it in place, and job done. You wanna do it now?
No, you saw me do that one. You can do it.
No, it's you now.
No, come on.
It's you. Fine, give me the drill.
No, I'll do it.
Exactly. You trust me with, that drill? Joker. So there you go.
No, I don't.
Huh?
Yeah, of course I trust you.
Okay. Sure.
So we're gonna punch the holes.
Why? come back in because you know UK weather is not reliable. It's starting to rain on us. So we got the light in, but now we need to fit the rear camera in. So that's
This
that.
needs to go in there. But we need to try and get
Find the center and the center.
it between these and then this, and then we put it in.
That's right.
Drill it. And
So we measured the. Go on. You can do it.
Oh, that's okay.
No,
okay.
carry on.
I've just shown you can tell.
Right. So this can focus properly. Right. So we find the midpoint of the horizontal line from there to there. Works out to be around 34.75 or something. So now we need to find out the midpoint of the height of the bar, and we can then call that the midpoint of where the camera should say. 34.75. Yeah, where we just marked that thing there.
Yeah, there.
That's it.
Yeah. Okay.
So now if you get your caliper tool that you have in your lap, that's it. And now find the midpoint where we marked.
So we're gonna go from.
That's it, whatever that is.
But then, okay, like that.
Yeah, just measure that, that's fine. And then we get our caliper tool out, or vernier caliper tool, what we're gonna call use. This, oh, thanks. And then you measure that. Wait, don't stab me. Jeez.
There's nothing there to stab in.
Wow.
Come on.
It's loose, yeah?
Yeah, it's loose. It's just trying to get this.
Wow, this rain is actually not helping us.
Okay, cool.
Right, so you got that, yeah? And that works out to be what?
Hang on. Yeah. Yeah.
From the inside to inside, yeah?
Yeah.
So, what's that number? 67.87. Right, so we work out the half of that, which will be 1 second. Make that 2 seconds. What did I do with my trap phone? I mean my phone, not my trap phone.
Wow, the weather.
Yeah, man, it's really bad. It was just sunny, like what, half an hour?
Well, yeah.
Something like that.
We've done all that work.
That's it, in there. Right. What was the number?
Huh?
What was the number?
68.77. 67.87.
Divide that by 2, you get 33.9. Let's do 33.94.
33.
0.94. Wow. What is going on? You guys must be like, has this guy not seen rain before or something, innit?
30 what?
34. Sorry, 33.
Oh, I had that spot on.
33.
You changed it.
0.94. That's the ticket. Yeah,
33.94, yeah?
that's correct. So now you wanna readjust that inside. Just the right touches. That's it. Happy?
Yeah, I guess.
Yep. So now you find our midpoint that we just marked somewhere, and that is your midpoint. Just double checking.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now double check if that's the midpoint on the other side. Should be the same. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. That's cool. So now you know that's your midpoint
Yeah, I
off
think
the
that'd
midpoint.
Yeah. See the bottom just on the curve?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool. Yep. Now get your punch tool. Did
Oh.
you have it?
We still knew that's. Oh, yeah, heard it. And we just cable tie that up. So we need it in reverse, and then make sure the camera is up the right way round. It's not pierced.
See, it's now perfectly aligned. Now you're good to go. Done. You've done a perfect job. It is now centered.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very happy. And the lights are now working too.
Yep. Lights are in, not coming out.
That's it.
Look at that.
Solid. Yeah, man.
Who needs clips? Yeah.
That's it. Who needs clips? And who needs super glue?
Yeah. You guys wanted to glue it all in. So that about using a bloody
That's it.
screw and screwing it in. No, bolt it in from the side.
Exactly.
Push pressure onto the clip. Thing
See?
gonna come out. See?
Both lights are now working too. And the bumper looks awesome as well.
Looks a lot better.
Gives us more clearance.
Cameras installed.
That's it.
Deserve a sit down now.
That's it.
And some
So-
big performance. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. If you watched all of this, and yeah, so I'm hoping you guys liked it. If you did, thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, because that really helps us out.
Yes.
And the view time and everything like that. So I hope you guys enjoy. There will be more of this.
Yes, more video on the Land Rover.
On the Land Rover
Yes.
road. So yeah, so we will see you guys in the next project on it.
See you
Thanks for
guys.
watching. See you guys. Bye.